This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, so let's unbox it. And in today's video, I'm going to be featuring all things Smoko. I love Smoko. Smoko is just the embodiment of me. It's like me as a potato, just adorable form. Does that make sense? I think that makes sense. So in today's video, I have a couple of blind boxes from the Tato Ramen line, which, oh my God, I'm losing my mind thinking about it. We also have this little guy, I think his name is Ronnie. Actually, no, I'm sorry. This is Ronnie. Ronnie Ani? Oh, Ronnie Ani, that's so adorable. Okay, anyway, this series is called Works Too Hard. There's a weird little fact about me. I love blind boxes or any little collectible things that is kind of set in either like a job or an office. I don't know why. I love it. And so when I saw this, I was like, well, obviously I need it. I need it. So I got 2 of those. And then I really love the peanut familia. I know, I feel like I sound so weird saying that, but basically it's peanut family or family peanut. And I loved it so much. And I got 2 cute ones. I got Harold and I got Auntie Peanut, and I need to get the rest of the collection. Unfortunately, Smoko does not sell complete sets of things. So we have to brave this world of potentially possibly getting duplicates. I don't love that, but it is what it is. Anyway, so I'm gonna save Peanut. I'm gonna save Harold for later because he's my favorite one. Love him. So we're gonna put him on the side. So I'm gonna open Ronnie Ani. Oh my God. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you the other one. Then we have the Circus du Smoko. Okay. Smoko Circus Smoko. And these are pretty much every IP. We have the Tato, we have the Hank, we have a Lodi, which I've never seen a Lodi before. Ringmaster Little B, that's like the little bow guy. Who the f is Barry? But I like him though. And then we have Ronnie. So we have also 2 of these, and these feel different weights. So here's hoping we didn't get duplicates. So let's start with Ronnie Ani. Works Too Hard. I love these. Try it again. Here are all the little different variations. So there are 7 potential items. 1 is a secret. I don't know what the secret is, but the one that I want the most, I kind of want Fancy Man. I kind of either want Artist or Fancy Man. If I get Artist or Fancy Man, I will be very, very happy. I like the Fancy Man because he has a little martini, and I like the Artist one because I went to art school and I kind of feel like I just need to have a blind box figure that went to art school. It would make my student loan debt seem much more manageable, right? So anyway, let's open this bitch up, and we have this little rip right here. Oh, so good. Ooh, oh good, okay. Smoko usually doesn't have a card, so that's good. I love you. Look at you, you dapper. Oh my God. Oh, look how cute he is. Oh my God, that's me. Oh my God, that's so me. Oh, I love you. Look at you. Oh, and the mother drinking an espresso martini. Ronnie Ani, bitch. My spirit animal, okay? Oh, I love you. All right, we're having a great day. Starting off really good. I want this to be the Artist. If not the Artist, I would like the After Hours Ronnie, because that kind of, I don't know why it sounds kind of fun and sexy. I want the After Hours Ronnie. But if we can't get Artiste Ronnie, I would happily take, I like Mailman Ronnie. I like that. I like a Mailman Ronnie or Chef Ronnie, because Alex, he cooks all of our food, because you know me, if it's not factory, I don't cook, so maybe that could be him. Well, I am obviously a fancy man. Drinking my espresso martinis. I don't love that it's duplicates. I don't love it. Oh, fuck. Okay, I'm gonna ask my friend Erin. Erin, I'm gonna probably send this to you. If you don't want it, I'm probably just gonna put it in your box. That sounded really weird, but whatever. Me and Erin, we have a thing. We send things to each other's boxes. All right, no, I really, oh, I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed because I didn't want this to happen. But it is what it is. And that's the thing that really kind of irks me about Smoko, is that there is no option to buy the full set. So, first world problems, I know, but it would be nice if I could buy the full set. Just saying. Just saying. All right, let's move on to, the court jester-y ones, the circus ones. Let's move on to this one. All right, here we have the court jester, little circus guys. Kind of reminds me of the Why So Serious collection. So let's hope that they're not dupes. What I want in this collection is pretty much the Tato or Strongman Hank. Honestly, I'd be okay with any of them. I just don't want duplicates. I really do want either Strongman Hank or Jester Tato or Ringmaster Little B. This one actually feels a little bit heavier, so maybe this one is Jester Tato. This one feels a little bit light, a little bit lighter. Maybe, all right, I'm gonna say this is Ringmaster Little B. No, it's Ronnie. Oh, look at this mother. He's so salty. Oh, he's a little acrobat. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, he's cute. He is a cutie. You are so cute, you little fuck. I love you. I love you. Let this please be Jester Tato. If it's not Jester, I'll take Strongman Hank. Please no dupes. Please no dupes. Okay, I mean, I mean, she's fine, but she's like not my bitch. I don't know, like she's okay. Elodie is okay. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. You're okay. So you're acrobat. You are trapeze. I mean, it's fine. She's fine. She's cute. She's cute, but like not what I wanted. It was kind of like probably the one that I would say is like Mully's favorite, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine because I got Ronnie on him doing his little salty acrobatics. Acrobat, is that right? Acrobat. Okay, I'm not drunk, just saying. We'll make it work. All right, let's go to Tato Ramen. They're so cute. So obviously the ones I want, the one I would love to have is the soba tempura and the cup ramen. I think that would be really cute, but on this side, I kind of love either the deluxe ramen or the Tato ramen only because I love the egg, but the beef ramen is also really, really cute too. I mean, they're all pretty adorable. I just, again, I just don't want duplicates. They both feel the same. They both feel the same. So let's see. Am I lucky? Ah, bitch! Oh, this is the deluxe one. Oh, he's so cute. I can't even. Look at that tiny little egg. Oh my God, he's so cute. Oh, this is the cutest little thing ever. You're so cute. I love him. I love him. Oh, please no duplicates. Please no duplicates. For the love of everything. Oh, yay! Bitch, no! But what are you? Oh, you're the udon. Oh, you look so sad. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, he's cute. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's really cute. So here are the two. I mean, I would have loved to get the cup ramen or the soba tempura, but I'm totally fine with those two. I think I would actually pick another one up of these. And I kind of would pick up the Working Too Hard series. I would do that. I don't know if I would pick up the other one. Oh, fuck it, I would. Who am I kidding? I would. And then get disappointed when I get duplicates. But so far, I would pick them all up again. I think I might actually give this a home. Elodie is cute, but like, I don't want Elodie. I know, I'm horrible. All right, main attraction, start of the show. Little peanut boy. I love Harold. I feel like there's some different weights in these boxes, so let's hope. Anyway, here are all the different little guys. I really would love Papa Peanut. I need Papa Peanut, I need Mama Peanut. I already have Harold, and then of course I have Auntie Peanut. I need Uncle Peanut and Cousin Peanut. The odds of me actually getting all of the Target ones is pretty it's a 50-50. Actually, no, it's not even a 50-50. It's definitely a lower percentage than that, but we're gonna remain optimistic, okay? So here goes the first one. I feel like this one's gonna be Cousin Peanut. Nope, I think it's gonna be Uncle Peanut. I think it's gonna be Uncle Peanut. He feels kind of light. Oh no, it's Mama Peanut! And Mama Peanut's really cute because you look at the little nuts in there. See, when you open her up, you look at the little nuts in the back. Oh, it's so cute. That's good. We're starting off very, very good. Okay, can you close? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. All right, gotta close this bitch up. All right, there's Mama. Mama's a cutie. We love Mama. All right. Please don't take my babies. That's what it says on the side of the box. Oh God, that's depressing. Okay. What the Can the babies move? Let me see. Hold on. The babies are stuck in there. So that's good. So you can't, no one can take mama's babies. God, that's depressing. All right. All right, mama, you stay over there. This is going to be Papa Peanut. This is going to be Papa Peanut. No, it's Harold. But Harold is a cutie, and my mom already said that she wanted a Harold. So, Mom, you got a Harold, okay? So there you go. You got a Harold Peanut, so that has to go to the side. Okay, we got one duplicate. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's going to a good home. My mom really wants it, so it's fine. Come on, other boxes. Do not fail me now. I really, really, really would love Cousin Peanut because he has little glasses and he has like a giant money sign necklace, and that's adorable, and I love that, and I want that. No sound came out, bitch! Ah! All right. Look at this motherfucker! Oh my God, I love him. Look at this bitch. Oh, he's so good. Oh, you're so good. I love you. Okay, I love this. I am happy. Okay. All right, all right, all right, all right. Remain composure. Now what I want Uncle Peanut. I need Uncle Peanut or Papa Peanut. I feel like I kind of want Papa Peanut, but I'd be okay with Uncle Peanut. I feel like this is gonna be Papa Peanut. I love you little Papa Peanut bitch. Okay. Look at this sad man. He's so sad. And why is he sad? What the does he say? Oh, he just says crunchy. Okay, so Papa Peanut says crunchy. Mama says, please don't take my babies. Uncle Peanut goes, ooh. That's kind of weird. Auntie Peanut says, please don't eat me. And then Cousin Peanut just says, what's up? And I like that. Okay, so I'm only missing one out of the whole set, and that is Uncle Peanut. I don't know if I'm going to press my luck trying again. I think I might just try the unfun way of going on eBay and trying to like find him. But if I can't, then I might as well just throw a box in here next time I go buy something from Smoko. But I have to say, today was good. Today was good. There was only one duplicate. I'm sorry, 2 duplicates and one that I'm just really not in love with her. Just really not in love with her. So I'm gonna rehome that one. But unless Aaron doesn't want it, then I guess I'm stuck with it. Anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you're into Smoko, and if so, are you into any of these little ones? And if you have them, let me know which are the ones that you got, because I really want to know. Oh my God, I love you, you fucking bitch. I love you. I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat, and I will see y'all garbage cans real soon. Bye.